Today, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret on how I make customs of my comfort characters from my desired reality. The only one I've made is my DR significant other, aka my Tulpa. I've done over two versions of her. First one, you guys see in the background of most videos, in my profile picture. She is the one on the left, and this is honestly one I'm very proud of. We'll go more into detail about which one I like more later, but for now, I'm gonna tell you how I made her, and we'll get to the other one as well. This one was honestly pretty easy. I googled pictures of Taylor Swift, and it took a little bit to find a picture that resembles her the most, but eventually I did. Then I saved the picture and went to a hair color changing site. To find one is pretty easy. Just type change hair color on photo for free, and boom. Usually the first sites that come up are the best ones. I uploaded the photo to the site, and it gave me the option to choose which hair color I want. And I picked brown because that's my GF's hair color. Finally, I downloaded the photo and searched up a remove background image remover so I can make the image transparent. Once again, very easy. Drop the image in the upload option, and everything will do the work on its own. And there you go. The custom of my girl is completed. Woohoo! Download the image, and the rest is history. This came out really cool, and the manual labor was light work. A little disclaimer: if you feel like doing this yourself and make your own customs of your comfort characters, it's only going to come out as good as the materials you use will allow it to. Now, that's the part I can only do so much in when it comes to helping you. Now, on to the next custom, which is one I made very recently, and I call it the Date Night Edition of my significant other. This outfit was the closest thing to resembling the same one she wore when she shipped it to me, metaphysically, at Buffalo Wild Wings. I didn't get a chance to show you guys it in the video when I shared my experience about our date, when in reality, I just forgot to put it in the video, so I'm just rectifying that now. Shh. But here it is. This one was a little bit more difficult to make. I had to search up an appropriate body that had the closest outfit to the one she wore. And oh man, I had to dig deep until I finally found it. That was just half the battle. The other part was having to search up an appropriate Taylor Swift photo that resembles my GF the most. When I found a serviceable enough one, I once again used the hair color changing site to make it brown. This wasn't just like the last custom where I could just put it in the image background remover and call it a day. I actually had to erase all of her body manually. I had to erase all of her body manually until I was only left with her head. Long story short, I had to decapitate Taylor Swift. So sorry, Tay. But hey, everything's all good now, right? I can just put the head on the body, and boom, Day Night Edition of my Tulpa is completed. Oh wait, I lied. There's a final battle to fight this customization. There's a final battle to fight during this customization. The skin tones don't match. Yay! The hands and the neck on the body are medium pale, while Taylor's face is very pale. So I had to search up another site by typing change skin color for free. But thankfully, one page came in clutch, and I was able to color the head sculpt appropriately to the level of paleness to the one on the body. I was able to finally put the head on the body in my photo editor, and I got the head on right, so it looks natural and proportionate. Obviously, I don't want my lady looking like she has a big head. The brown ended up not being the same color, as one half was lighter brown and the other was more darker, but fixed that in the hair color changing site and finally completed it. It was just a little more time consuming to make the date night edition of her. Now, time for a side by side comparison. In terms of which one I like better, myself, I honestly really like the one on the left more, with the red lipstick. The likeness to my significant other is way more real than the one in all black. Whenever my tulpa has her resting face with little curls in her hair, it literally looks like this. 94% accuracy, so the original one wins all the way. Sure, the only shortcoming is that she might not have the accurate clothes, but I'm not really losing anything much, really. We'll talk more about that later. While the second one does definitely have better clothing, and it does resemble what she wears in real life, the likeness with the face is okay. I mean, it's still believable, but it's definitely not better than the original one. It really just falls victim to comparison. Take into considerations these are customs, guys. They are not going to be perfect. They are just placeholders until we get the real thing, and both of these will just be remembered as serviceable makeshifters once I actually do have the real her. At the end of the day, the universe is going to give me the real her anyways, in my desired reality. I'm being patient. It's coming. It's coming. Fingers crossed, I ship this week. Only crossing one finger, as I heard if you do both, you'll cancel the other one out. And you can't even see me doing it anyways. But yeah, let me know which one is your guys' favorite out of the two. Do you plan to make customs of your comfort characters yourself? Let's talk about it in the comments. And subscribe for more. Oh yeah, before I take off here, I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually do have a photo of the real her, but I am not allowed to show you guys that publicly. Given number one, I cannot risk ruining my reputation. And number two, circumstances are, and by no chance, in my favor for me to do that. But if I definitely could show you guys the real her in arm's reach, I 100% would. All you guys gotta do is just contact me on social media so we can basically talk about it. Because this is not a joke, guys. Have you guys ever watched Wizards of Waverly Place? Like, yeah, the real her is definitely so magical, literally and figuratively. Because let's just say if you guys were to see the real her, right? It would definitely hit so much more different. Because that's the real thing. It's authentic. But for now, this is the best I can do. Just like how in Wizards of Waverly Place, of course, where the Russos are not allowed to show magic into the world, otherwise it will lead to very not pretty consequences. Yeah, that's kind of my situation right now, of course. I cannot reveal it to anybody. The only people that know, of course, are two of my good in real life friends, and of course, some of my shifting friends as well, who I know are for sure watching this. So I just wanted to share that. I'll see you all next time.